Hi friends! Thank you for using LALAL.AI and thank you for watching this video guide. LALAL.AI team is happy to present Phoenix, a new revolutionary technology that isolates vocal in audio and video sources with unmatched precision. It's a next-generation neural network that outperforms both our previous networks and other artificial intelligence-powered solutions on the market. Using a completely new approach to signal processing, splitting quality evaluation, and advanced architecture, Phoenix separates vocals from other instruments with accuracy and a minimum of unpleasant sonic artifacts. In addition, Phoenix isolates vocals in tracks twice as fast as its predecessor, Cassiopeia. Now, you can try out new Phoenix algorithm only for vocal and instrumental extraction. New Phoenix algorithm is enabled by default. In order to use the previous algorithm, Cassiopeia, please switch the slider. Now, new Phoenix algorithm is off. Let me switch it back again and show you new Phoenix algorithm in action. First, we need to choose File to extract vocals from. Then we need to open it and wait till the file is being processed.
Come closer, I don't bite. Look closer. Think you might like me, love me, let me in.
LALAL.AI team is excited about our new Phoenix algorithm. Feel the power of Phoenix. Try extracting vocals on the LALAL.AI site right now. Thank you for using LALAL.AI and have a great day!